Hey everyone, it's March the 10th. Spring is definitely in the air. Lots of sun and blue skies. That's always nice. But it's still too cold to be planting directly outside, at least here in Ottawa in Zone 5. So I've just finished planting up these peppers. So I've got the jalapeños, the cayenne peppers, and the bell peppers, which are very popular in our house. So what I'm going to be showing you today is how I did that, and hopefully you'll find it useful. Please leave any comments or feedback, any thoughts you have. I really look forward to reading them and responding back to you. So take care and talk to you again soon.
So these are the cayenne peppers, the bell peppers, and the jalapeños. So this is the Jiffy seed starting mix that I used. It's very light and fluffy so the seedlings can get through it very easily. Not much in the way of nutrients, they really don't need it. The seeds have everything they need to get themselves started. Pretty amazing. I did add some perlite to help the drainage. The key thing is don't let the soil dry out, especially this particular one. So here you go. It's very light and fluffy, as you can see. I just added in the water, mixed it in to a point where it's not overly saturated, but enough to form a little ball. And these are the pallets that I put them in. It needs to be half a centimeter deep for these pepper seeds. So I'm just using a little pen here to get that. And then just drop them in there. I put a couple per little cell. I may have to thin them out afterwards, but there's a couple per cell. And then I just filled in the holes again with the bit of extra soil on top. So here they are all potted up in their little humidity domes. These drain well, so you can water them from below, and they're all on the heat mats for now. See how that goes. I'll keep you posted on the progress, and hopefully they'll all sprout soon. Anyways, please leave a comment and subscribe and like, as they say.